Before you embark on a job search, there are two things you must do. First, network with recruiters and hiring managers, and second, create your resume based on their feedback. I've gone through the same process myself many times and received multiple offers. Hi, I'm Kyla from Venngage. Today, we'll learn about 5 crucial resume mistakes that you must correct to create an impact on recruiters' minds instantly. Mistake number 1, missing the impact. The most common mistake recruiters and hiring managers find on resumes are the bullet points that describe what the candidate did, instead of quantifying their impact. In simple terms, did you include the right metrics or numbers in your bullet point? And when I say metrics, it has to be relevant and meaningful. It should answer one of these 3 questions: how many, how often, or how long? In your resume, rather than saying supervised website renovation project to launch new subsidiary brand, improvise it to something quantifiable. Drove a 15% increase in page views and a 23% increase in session duration after helping launch new website. Mistake number 2, making it difficult to learn about you. Do you know, on average, how much time recruiters spend reviewing a resume? 7 seconds. That's right, you only have 7 seconds. So make your resume worth their time. Ensure to include your work sample, portfolio, or LinkedIn profile. The goal is to compel recruiters to explore your profile longer, pique their curiosity, and provide them with avenues to learn more about you. Remember, don't forget to embed links. Mistake number 3, making your resume long and boring. The length of your resume largely depends on your work experience. If you have a decade-long career, employers won't mind reading 2 pages. However, if not, keep your resume to 1 page to highlight the most important details about your experience and your skills. If you want to stylize your resume and stand out, consider using a resume template. Venngage offers professionally designed templates that you can easily customize online and export in any format. Venngage also provides hundreds of templates for practically any of your design needs. Mistake number 4, putting education section above the work experience. Recruiters and hiring managers understand that any form of work experience, including internships or extracurricular activities, translates much better to on-the-job performance. Let's imagine a hiring manager begins scanning through a poorly organized resume. She comes across the GPA, the classes I took, my high school, and realizes that none of this is relevant. She just wasted 30 seconds of her time and moves on to the next applicant. Now, imagine she opens a resume and immediately sees my work experience. She thinks, okay, this candidate has industry knowledge and can potentially contribute to our team. You see how your resume becomes impactful by just correcting the structure. Mistake number 5, not tailoring resume for each application. Of course, when you're out looking for a job, it's natural to apply for multiple positions, but you can't create 50 different resumes for 50 different jobs, right? The best practice is to focus on 3 to 5 roles and invest your time in the quality of the application rather than the quantity. For similar sets of roles, you can copy and paste these jobs into a workload generator to easily identify relevant skills the recruiter might be looking for. And that's a wrap. I hope you learned something valuable. If you have any questions or if you want to see part 2 of the video, comment down below. Make sure that you follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.